Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do unboxing for a daily goodie box for the month of August. By the way, to those of you who are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click notification bell icon so you'll get notified every time I upload a new videos. And if you want to get free daily goodie box for free, all you have to do is just follow the link on my description box below and sign up and follow them as well on their Facebook page. Answer a question every day and you will get the chance to get a free daily goodie box. So I'm super excited and let's get started. By the way, thank you Daily Goodie Box for sending me a free daily goodie box for the month of August. Alright, so the first product I got in here, it's a dried delicious passion fruit snack rounds from Wholeberry. So all natural, vegan, gluten-free, and GMO-free. Let's try this, guys. Gonna open it. Smells good. By the way, I love passion fruit, guys. Tastes good. So the next product I have in here, it's from Rowdy Bar. So featuring Yacon Root Prebiotic. So it's a chocolate, coconut, cashew, soy-free, dairy-free, and all natural. From Rowdy Bar. The next product I have in here, it's a shampoo from Nature Nut. So it says SLS free, paraben free, shampoo for dry and damaged hair. So this is gonna be good for me. So let's smell it, guys. Smells good. So I'm super excited to try this one. It contains 400 ml. Alright, so the next product I have is a chicken salt. Chicken salt vegan, all-purpose seasoning from Jada Spices. They give me the barbecue on this one. So no MSG, no preservatives, no gluten, no soy, and no peanuts. So the next product I have in here, it's from Rejuva Minerals. I don't know how to say that. Rejuva Minerals. So it's a tinted moisturizer with ultra sheer and natural minerals infused with firming peptides. Let's just open this, guys. So the next product I have in here, it's from Coco Luxe. Coco Luxe Hydration 100% pure coconut water. So guys, I already tried this before. This is really good. No added sugar, no added anything, guys. This is pure coconut water. Alright, so the next thing here, it's a nail polish. Let's open this, guys. So a nail polish from Shea. It's relaxation. I think this is the color of the nail polish, relaxation. So this is really cute, guys. Look at this. Last product I got in here, it's a NEATsheets. So they gave me a 20 disposable sheets. So it says in here, attractive protection for shirt and lap. Easy to use adhesive tabs. Liquid absorbent front, liquid repellent back. As you can see in the picture, guys. And they also sent me some card where to find those products that I got. So I think that's it for today, guys. So to those of you who wants to get a free daily goodie box, I will just put the link on my description box below. And thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye bye.